Okay, what's going on, everybody? What's up, tycoons? What's up, traders? In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at two altcoin gems, really low market cap altcoin gems. We're going to break them down, look at the key levels that we really need to pay attention to right now. So make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. This video is actually a viewer request. So if you want to see your tokens, your cryptocurrencies in the next video, all you have to do is comment down below and I'll be happy to make a video for you as soon as I can. Now, the first one we're going to look at is 8pay. Okay. We're looking at the daily chart, and I want to highlight and point out first the MACD. Okay, the MACD is most effective on the daily chart, and it's very good at giving you exit and entry signals. All right, now specifically, it's been a pretty brutal crypto winter, so I try to focus on the exit signals. What those are going to be is when this red line here crosses below the white line. All right, that's going to be your exit signal. And that's going to show that, you could get some downward direction. Okay. We get one over here. We get one right here. And if we look, the MACD is right at the white line right now. And there's a potential it could get another crossover and do something like this as it's done in the past. So pay close attention to that MACD. If this red line continues to trend up and it starts to move away from the white line, then that's going to be a little bit more bullish and indicate that we could come up to our major levels. Now, I'm going to break down the major levels real quick. It basically explain why we use them. All of these levels are given and brought by using the fib tool right over here. The reason I use the fibs is because about 70% of trading is done by algorithms. Okay, whether you believe it or not, it's valid in the stock market and the cryptocurrency market. So it's a really good idea to start, rather than drawing your own, support and resistance levels with the naked eye, get familiar with the fibs and how to use them. What we're looking at right here, these are the three most important ones that you want to pay attention to. These are your major retracement levels, the 61.8, the 50%, and the 38.2% levels. Okay, so we're basically tracking to see, are we going to get a move to the downside, a retracement, and a continuation of this downtrend? Or are we going to get a reversal, right? And to get a reversal, we'd have to break through these levels, and we can head up here to our breakout level, our previous high. And if we get out past there, we have some bullish price targets up here to get a reversal where we make a high and then a higher high. All right. But until we break out past these levels right here, we're going to be in a healthy retracement from this downtrend and possibly continuing the trend to the downside. So in specific, the levels up there to watch are going to be 0.021, 0.023, and 0.0257. Right, our breakout level to the downside, our major support level is going to be 0.0134. If we break below 0.0134, there's a potential we could head down to 0.008, 0.005, and even 0.001. Now, that would be a very dramatic move to the downside, so I'm not saying that we have to go there anytime soon. These are just the major levels using the fibs, okay? So pay attention a lot to 0.0134. That's our major support level. If we break that level, it's going to be a key level of support that could take us down lower. All right. And then pay attention to your three levels up here. If we break out of those, we have our major breakout level to the upside of 0.0333. All right. And if we break past that, we have some bullish price targets to the upside of 0.0388, 0.041, and 0.0457. The next one we're going to take a look at is going to be labs. Okay. We'll break that down real quick. Really just using the same strategy that we've been using. Hold on, I got labs ETH on here. Sorry. Need to get labs tether. All right, so here we go. So using the same strategies, gonna break it down for you guys. Okay, so here's a really good example, all right, of the major retracement levels. We're coming down, we have this downtrend, we retrace exactly up to the 61.8. Okay, you see that move to the downside, retrace up exactly there, and then we continue that trend to the downside. We had our major breakout level here, and then we hit all three of our bearish price targets to the downside. And we had MACD sell signals, right? We had a MACD sell signal right here, indicated a sharp move down. We had a MACD sell signal right over here, indicated a sharp move down. MACD sell signal right over here, indicated a sharp move down. So pay attention to the MACD. It's going to be really good for spotting a possible good time to get out or a possible good time to go short if you're into shorting. All right, and the major levels that we're looking at right now is going to be 0.00341 is your major support level to the downside.
0.00308 is going to be your bearish price target number 1, 0.000267, and then 0.000148. Those are your three main levels, your bearish price targets to the downside if we break below 0.00341. Right now, as I mentioned earlier, we did break through our previous bearish price targets. So these are going to act as resistance now. Okay, when you flip something from support to resistance, that's basically how the markets work. So to the upside, all right, the major resistance levels, or you could call them bullish price targets if you're going long on this, right? You're going to be 0.000451, 0.000533, and 0.000590. Those are the three main levels to the upside that I would watch. And potentially, if we get past there, we could head up to 0.0007. Let's just call it 0.007 right here. So yeah, that's it. That's it for today's video. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Hopefully you learned something new. If you did, don't forget about those viewer requests. I do those every single week. This one here, again, was a viewer request. All you have to do is comment down below and I'll make a video on it for you as soon as I can.